Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good morning to all of you. We meet again for our English class today. Today we are going to continue our topic from our last class, that is Module 6, Food, Please. Okay, for today's lesson, you have to refer to your textbook page 56 and 57. Okay, let's look at the objectives of our lesson today. Okay, first one is to be able to know the names of the food. Number 2, to be able to listen to the audio and read the dialogue. Okay, and third one is to be able to understand and answer is there and are there questions. Okay, without wasting any time, let's begin our class with the vocabulary. Okay, for this activity, I want you to repeat after me. When I say the word, I want you to repeat after me. Can you do that, class? Alright, very good. Okay, let's take a look at our first vocabulary. Okay, omelette. Omelette. Okay, repeat after me, class. Omelette. Omelette is telur dadar. Okay, next. Peas. Peas. Repeat after me, class. Peas. Okay, peas is kacang polong ataupun kacang peas. Okay, next. Pancake. Pancake. Okay, what is pancake? Pancake is lempeng. Okay, good job. Okay, next. Pineapple. Pineapple. Okay, repeat after me, class. Pineapple. Okay, pineapple is nanas. Okay, next. Peppers. Peppers. Okay, what is peppers? Okay, peppers is lada. Okay, and the last one is coconut. Coconut. Okay, repeat after me, class. Coconut. Okay, coconut is kelapa. Okay, very good. Okay, we have done with the first activity, that is knowing the vocabulary of the food. Okay, next we move on to our next activity, that is listening and reading. Okay, I will play the audio of the dialogue and I want you to listen to it carefully and try to read the dialogue on your own. Okay, are you ready, class? If you are ready, I will play the audio now. Okay.
I love my omelette. There's some cheese in my omelette. Is there any cheese in your omelette, Greg?
No, there isn't.
There are some peppers in my omelette too. Are there any peppers in your omelette, Greg?
No, there aren't. There isn't any cheese and there aren't any peppers in my omelette. But there are some peas, onions, and pineapple.
Yuck.
And for dessert, coconut pancakes.
Yummy.
Okay, we have done with the second activity, that is listening and reading. Okay, I hope that all of you listen to the audio and try to read the dialogue on your own. Okay, next we move on to the grammar section. Okay, do you notice that these are the dialogues that you have read and listened to just now? Okay, do you notice that there are a few words that are written in, that are underlined with the red color, and there are a few words also that are underlined with yellow color. Okay, what are these words? Okay, is there, are there, there's, there are. Okay, what is there and are there? Okay, is there and are there is used to ask about the presence or the existence of someone or something. Okay, it is when you want to, okay, in Malay, apabila anda nak bertanya kewujudan sesuatu atau seseorang, you have to use is there or are there. Okay, let's look at the is there. Okay, when do we use is there? Okay, we use is there to ask about the existence of something that is singular. Okay, what is singular? Singular is satu benda. Okay, the answer should be either. Okay, there are only two answers to this question. Okay, yes, there is, ataupun ya, ada, ataupun no, there isn't, yang bermaksud tak, tiada. Okay, let's take a look at the example that use the question is there. Okay, for example, is there any book on the table? Okay, do you see any book here? Okay, if yes, the answer is yes, there is. Okay, next, is there any book on the table? Do you see any book here? No, right? Okay, if no, the answer is no, there isn't. Okay, this is for a reminder for you. Okay, is for singular noun. Okay, so when we use is in the questions, okay, is in the questions, we must also use is or isn't in the answers. Okay, if you use is in the questions, you have to use is or isn't in the answers. Okay, remember that. Okay, next, when do we use are there? Okay, we use are there to ask about the existence of something that is plural. What is plural? Okay, plural is lebih dari satu benda ataupun banyak. Okay, the answer should be either. Okay, ada dua juga jawapan dia. Yes, there are, yang bermaksud ya, ada. No, there aren't, tak, tiada. Okay, let's take a look at the example that use the question are there. Okay, for example, are there any books on the table? Okay, do you see any books here? Okay, yes. So if yes, okay, the answer is yes, there are. Okay, very good. Okay, next. Are there any books on the table? Do you see any books here? No, right? Okay, so if no, the answer should be no, there aren't. Okay, this one is also a reminder for you. Okay, we use are for plural nouns. Okay, so when we use are in the questions, okay, this one is the question. So when we use are in the question, we must also use are or aren't in the answer. Okay, same like the one with the is the question just now. Okay, when we use are in the questions, we must also use are or aren't in the answers. Okay, I hope that you can remember these rules. Okay, we are done with the lesson for today. Now it's time for your homework. Okay, this is your homework for today. Okay, you have to write and answer this homework in your exercise book. Okay, no need to draw the picture. If you want, it's okay. If you want to draw, you can draw. If you don't want to draw, it's okay. Just write the questions and the answers here. Okay, that's all for today's class. We will meet again in our next session. Okay, thank you for lending me your ears. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.